Hey guys, welcome back to Dan's Kitchen. The master asked me for another quick cheap meal, so here's a budget meal for you real quick. What we've got tonight is some hot dogs, some hot dog buns, a can of chili, and some french fries. Gonna make chili dogs! So first thing, I've got my oven preheated to 425 so I can cook these french fries. I'm gonna cook those first and foremost. And the way I do it is preheat my cast iron, and then I just dump the french fries right into the cast iron. It's pre-seasoned, pre-oiled. I'm ready to go. And this is the longest part of the meal prep, is cooking your french fries. So I'm actually going to put this on top of my baker's stone, so that way the fries will cook from above and get crispy. They'll cook for about 20-25 minutes. So it's 5 o'clock now. We'll come back here in about 20-25 minutes and check on them. Okay, now I'm just going to check the fries. It is 5:19. Like I said, 20-30 minutes. Just depends on your oven, how you cook them. Looks like we're getting pretty close to being done. So I'm going to pop these back in for just a few more minutes. Alright, we kind of went over our time, but I'm trying to wrangle children. But it's alright. Our fries look good now, so I'm going to just let them sit and rest for a few minutes. I'm going to turn the oven off, but that's how I'm going to cook the hot dogs and the hot dog bun. And the hot dog buns I'll heat up in the oven, and I'll show you all that here in just a minute. Alright, so I'm just going to use the residual heat you can see to cook the hot dogs. And we'll just pop those in the oven right there. That'll get them heated up. And then I'm going to start prepping my buns. Also, this would be a good time to cook the chili. I'm just going to nuke it for like a minute, because I'm going to put it on the dogs here in just a minute. You'll see. I'll show you. So I'm just going to dump my chili into a bowl, like so. And then nuke it for about a minute, minute and a half. Just depends on whenever it starts steaming and boiling. Okay, we're in the microwave. Boop, boop. Oh, forgot to put my cover on. I got one of these handy covers from the dollar store. So, a minute. We'll see what that looks like here in just a minute. Alright, so microwave has ended. We'll see if that's steaming. Yeah, there's some steam coming off that. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not. But then the next thing is I'm going to work on my buns, get them ready to go. Alright, I'm going to show you a really cool trick with aluminum foil. Kind of goes along the same lines as the boat trick from my fish video. So if you guys didn't watch the fish video, check that out. So you just take 2 baking pans like this. Boom, and we made a little boat, right? Bread goes in. Hot dog goes in. Hot dog goes in. I'm going to put chili on real quick. I need 2 hands for that, and then I'll sprinkle cheese on top. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Again, with the baker's stone, this is what it's going to look like. You got chili, cheese, dog. Pop that back in the oven, just using residual heat from cooking the hot dogs and the french fries. Alright, let's look and see what we've got. Ooh, yeah, melted cheese. It's going to heat all that up. That bread is going to get crisp and not soggy. So, give me a second. Let me put this on a plate and show you what it looks like. Alright, and this is what it looks like. You got melted cheese on here. We got our french fries. This is plated for my 7-year-old. He's got his ketchup here. Here you can put onions, peppers, whatever you want to put on top. Usually I do a little sprinkle of mustard on mine. That's just how I eat my chili dogs. Alrighty, I hope you liked this meal prep video. So make sure you check out my other videos. You guys follow me and all of the good stuff that goes along with that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.